Calculating sand content in POP. Ever wondered why some POP plaster jobs crack while others stay smooth for decades? The reason may be excessive sand content. It all comes down to the math. In this video, we break down the exact formula and process for calculating sand content in Plaster of Paris. Whether you're a DIer or a student, this simple step-by-step guide ensures your mixture is professional grade every time. The process. 1. Prepare the sample. Take 1 kg of Plaster of Paris powder. 2. The mixture. Mix that powder with 5 to 6 liters of water. 3. The separation. Since POP powder dissolves in water, the sand will settle at the bottom. 4. The extraction. Pour out all the water, and you will find the sand left behind. 5. Final measurement. Dry the leftover sand and weigh it. The formula. That's it. Calculate the sand content using this formula.